Okay, we're getting down to the nitty gritty here. We've got everything's pretty much painted up. I've went over with a little flesh makeup, and as she goes out and has fun tonight and talks and stuff, smile for me, Trinity. Miranda. You'll see how that's starting to buckle up and stuff, which that's what you want, because we want that to look ripped. Okay, I've got a line here. I'm gonna try and fix that, and other than that, it's coming out pretty good. I like the way it looks. I mean, it looks like I'm kind of pulling back her skin after the three-toed sloth accident. All right, I'll just tweak on it a little bit, and we'll see how it comes.